Hi and welcome to this video from Denamik. My name is Marco and in this video I will show you how to work with LoadBots in the Denamik LoadGen suite. A LoadBot is a software component that LoadGen uses to create user sessions. This component is installed by LoadGen on dedicated machines and requires no back-end components. Each LoadBot component can host multiple sessions for both Citrix and remote desktop environments. These sessions are contained within their own executable, making this mechanism both scalable and stable. When you run a local client test, each LoadBot will execute the user action script against its own desktop session, in effect only hosting one user session. When you open the LoadBot module, it displays the list of all available LoadBots from your configuration. In addition to all the available LoadBots, it also shows you which LoadBots are included in your test, as well as the status of each LoadBot and its runner's profile that LoadGen uses to connect to that machine. The slot count of each LoadBot is an indication of how many sessions it can host. It's calculated based on the size of the machine and which OS it is running. We recommend you stay below 80% of this value. Adding a LoadBot is as simple as providing a machine name and choosing a runner's profile. If you need to find a machine from your Active Directory, simply let LoadGen connect to Active Directory and choose the machines you want to use as a LoadBot. This wizard can also activate the LoadBots for you after finishing. This means it will mark the new LoadBots as active, which means in turn they will be used when you next run a test. And this makes it easy to scale up your test after the initial setup stage. Before you can use a LoadBot in your test, you first need to make sure the machine has all the LoadBot software installed on it and it's running that software. To install software on all the active machines, use the Install button. To install only on the selected machines, use the Context menu. LoadGen will start the installation process to install necessary software on each of the LoadBot machines. This process may take a while to finish. After installation, you need to take one final step before you can use a LoadBot in your test. You need to activate it. This will start the LoadBot software on the machine. Installing, uninstalling and activating a LoadBot may run into some common problems. These are usually caused by either a firewall or insufficient privileges on the runner's profile. These two areas are a pretty good starting point for further investigation on why this process may fail.